Hi folks, this is Jar here from Camper for You. Just going to go through the main control panel, which operates all the functions internally in the camper van for you when you're out on hire. So it's located just over the main door as you come inside. To activate the panel, all you do is hit the home button on the bottom left and let the system just to set itself. So as you see, it comes on. There's a number of panels which come up on the screen. It's all touchscreen, so it's very easy to operate. The first section we're going to come to here is the one with switches, because this is where all your power comes from. So these are the three main functions inside here. So for the first one here we hit is interior light, and that's going to give you power to your sockets. It's also going to give you your light switches and things like that. The next button over is we have an external light on this motorhome just outside the main door. And then finally our water pump. So this is pressurizing the water through your system for your taps, your shower and your toilet. To go back out of this panel, then we just hit the return button. It comes back outside here. You'll see that there's various buttons here. So just to explain them, notifications, this is where anything might happen. So if there's an error in your heater or an error with the gas flow to your fridge or something, that will appear here. To come back out, again, we just do that. Moving along the bottom, if we just want to turn off the system, we just hit the turn off button and we follow the process. Moving back up then to your top left, we have our resources. So this is particularly important if you're out on the road and you want to check what voltage is in your leisure battery and your starter battery, and also the state of your water tanks. So just to explain here, this is your starter battery. So this is currently plugged into the electric main. So it's sending power to my engine battery as well as my leisure battery at the moment. And we can see that those are both well above what's needed to survive comfortably out here. The second, on the right hand side of it, this top one, sorry, I'll go back here. This top one is for our fresh water tank. So it's telling me I have 66% in it at the moment, which is 2/3 full. So roughly about between 65 and 70 litres of water in the tank outside. This one down here then is our wastewater tank. So you will have seen in our previous video, we talked about our grey water waste. So this is your water from your sink and your shower, and that's telling me that it's 33% full here. I would always advise though, before you move off from any stay of where you are, is to flush out the tank. When you're emptied and you want to refill your fresh water tank, all you do is you can hit this button here so that when you're filling outside, it's going to tell you when it's finished with a loud and audible beep. So when our refill is finished, we hit that, you'll hear that beep, and then we can come back out of it.